Hey guys, today I wanted to share with you a few tips on how to work with your child's vision. I am a busy mom of 4. I work full-time, I work part-time. There's just not enough hours in the day, and the idea that you gotta sit down and work on vision for even 30 minutes sometimes can feel really super overwhelming, and then you just kind of put it off. So one of my biggest tips, don't sit there and think that you gotta set aside this big allotment of time to work on vision. Just incorporate it into your everyday life. When you're feeding your child, you might have a bright red spoon that when you're presenting it to them, you can put it from ear to ear, side to side. That 30 seconds is you, boom, working on your child's vision. Fun way to incorporate vision and development together was stickers. I got a bunch of different kinds of stickers. This one's like a really shiny, sparkly one. I've got butterflies, and I like them to be a little bit of a thicker sticker because then your child has an easier time to like grab them and peel them off. What I was doing with the stickers was I was sticking the sticker on my nose. Did I stick a sticker on my nose? Yes. And then we oh, you got it! So I just take these stickers and I've been sticking them kind of on my face, mostly on my nose, and like slowly moving side to side. He's looking at the bright sticker. He's, you know, practicing crossing midline. I'm keeping it nice and slow. We're also learning nose and eyes and mouth and all those kinds of fun things. So it's really good for his development. Put on my mouth. Oh, you got it of my mouth. One of the great things about this idea is you're using your face and you're working on those social interaction skills, which sometimes is a struggle for a lot of our kiddos. What about, can you put it on mommy's eyes? Can you put it on my eyes? Oh, yes. Did you got it on my eye? Oh, it's on mommy's eye. Oh goodness, I'm not setting aside a large quantity of time. I'm just working on it every single day in fun little ways. I can even work on a little bit of pelvis work when I'm doing this. Stick it on my nose. I look at him. As I'm going to the side, I'm slowly rotating the pelvis. Right? To whichever direction that I'm going from side to side. So that's how you can also incorporate a little bit of vision work with your movement lesson. All it takes is 5 minutes a day to make a big difference. Thanks, guys.